Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we create this simple pipe elbow flange in SolidWorks. So let's see how we create this pipe elbow in SolidWorks, and I hope you like it. So please subscribe our channel for more video and project. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we do this in SolidWorks. And here we to create a sketch, here go to the file, now select new, and here we select part. Okay, now here we enter the SolidWorks interface, and now change the background to simply plain white. Here we are select front plane, right click, sketch, and here we are create center line. So from this origin point we create center line up to here, and create this center line up to here. Now here we increase this length also. Now here we create the sketch. So select the line, and we select this line from this point to this one, and select this line, create line to this origin point. Okay, and now again select this line and create this line up to here. Now here we apply the dimension. So go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 150 mm. Sorry. Okay, and now select this line, go to the smart dimension and make this line 180 mm. Enter. Now here we apply the fillet here. So go to the fillet command, and here we make the fillet of 50 mm. Enter. Now select this corner point, so it will take the fillet between this. Okay, and here we do one thing. Here we create a plane from this point. So go to the features, go to the feature, now select reference geometry, now exit. Here we select reference geometry, now select plane, and here we it will ask first reference, so select this line, and for the second reference we select this point. So here we create this plane on this point. Okay, now select this plane, right click, sketch, normal, and here we select circle. We create circle from this point, so we create two circle. Okay, now go to the smart dimension, select first circle and make it 80 diameter. Select second and make this one 65. Okay, now exit this sketch, and here we use loft feature command. So we go to the feature, now select, sorry, not loft, we use swift boss command. So select swift boss base, and we select the sketch profile. So it will ask the sketch, so select this sketch, and it will ask the path area. So we select this line. Okay, now here we create this pipe shape. Select this plane and make it hide. Now select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we are select circle, create circle from this origin point up to here. Now exit this sketch, go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 120 mm, enter. Now again select this circle and we select this origin point and create the circle up to this circle and make sure it is tangent. So it will be tangent. Go to the features, select extrude boss base and here we are make the extrude this sketch 15 mm inside, so make it 15 and it will reverse direction, so make it inside, so it's come inside. Okay, now here it's better to apply the material, so go to the appearance. Now here we select metal, select chrome and we apply the brush chrome to this piping, so select this one, double click, so here we apply the material and again we select this face, right click, sketch normal, here we select the circle, select this origin point and create the circle up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and make the circle 95 dia. Okay, now select this circle and here we make the for construction. Select this one and make it for construction. Okay, and here we are select circle and we create, here we uncheck this one, select circle and from this origin point we create the circle from this point up to this one. Go to the smart dimension and make this circle only 12 mm and here we are create circular pattern, we need 6 number of pattern, so go to this pattern, here we select circular pattern. Now it will ask parameter, so we select this center point, here it will ask entity to pattern, so select this box and select this circle and here we need 6 number equal spacing, so make it 6 number. Okay, now exit this sketch, edit and go to the features. Now select extrude cut and here we extrude this one 15, so make this 15. Here we can use up to surface command also. Okay, now here we apply second face on this top face, so select this top face, right click, sketch normal and here we select center line, we create center line from this origin point, make sure it is vertical. Okay, go to the smart dimension and make this length 70 mm, select the circle and we create this in point 2 circle here. Okay, go to the smart dimension and first circle we make it 40 dia, select second circle and make it 15 diameter. Here we are create center line So select this point, make center line up to here. Now here we use mirror feature, so go to the mirror command. Now select this both circle, and here we select mirror about, so select this reference point line. Okay, again go to the circle, we create two circle, make sure it is tangent to this pipe circle. Again go to the circle, and here we create circle up to this one. Now select line, we create line here to here, make sure it is tangent, so select this one line, press the shift key, and so it is tangent, look it is tangent. Okay, now here we make the mirror, so select this line, and here we mirror about this center line. Okay, again go to the mirror, select both lines, and here we mirror about this center line. Okay, now here we are trim this unwanted portion, so go to the trim command and trim this one also, this is not need. Okay, delete this one also. So here we remove this unwanted portion. Okay, and here we make extrude this sketch to 15 mm inside, so go to the feature, now select extrude boss base and make the extrude 15 and make it from inside, and here we are select merge result. Okay, now here we create, and here we apply chamfer to edge, so go to the chamfer command, and here we apply chamfer of 1 mm and angle will be 45 degree. So select this outer edge, select this one also. Okay, now again go to the chamfer and select this corner edge, select this one, so we select separately all this. Now here we are apply chamfer also, and here we make it some dark, so go to this and change color, so little dark. So look how we create this simple pipe elbow flange in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.